Over 65% of companies struggle with support information scattered across documents, PDFs, and sheets. This makes it harder for both customers and employees to quickly find what they need, leading to wasted time and frustration. It's a costly error, but the bigger question is, why does this happen? It's so because creating a centralized knowledge base often feels like a daunting, time-consuming task. ProProps has solved this problem with its AI-powered knowledge base software, which you can use to build customer help centers or even a private knowledge base for your company. In just minutes, you can easily create new articles, bring all your help content in one place, and make information easy to access, both for customers and employees. To get started, create a new article. You can choose a template, import your existing help content lying as documents, PDFs, etc., or start with a blank page. Now, here's where the magic happens. Just tell ProProps AI what kind of content you need. You can generate fresh content from a simple prompt, summarize an existing article, or even improve it by adjusting the length or tone. It's that easy. Edit the content if needed, and once you're happy with the content, customize your article with a table of contents, change the fonts and colors, or even add your own CSS for a truly unique look. Then, hit publish. But that's not all. ProProps AI also helps you optimize your knowledge base for search engines. Generate SEO-friendly article titles and even compelling meta descriptions to improve the visibility of your knowledge base and attract more readers. For your internal knowledge base, use relevant tags to optimize the search experience for your employees. To top it off, ProProps provides insightful reports and analytics to track the performance of your knowledge base. Monitor key metrics like total article views, popular searches, keywords with no results, and author activity to spot areas for improvement and ensure your knowledge base is always up to date. So there you have it, powerful AI features that transform how you support your customers and teams. Create better content faster and make it easy for everyone to find the information they need. Ready to centralize and elevate your help content? Sign up for a free account and create support content with ProProps AI in minutes. We're here to help if you need us. We have a live chat, phone help, and a huge knowledge base, so it's easy to get started.